fellow YouTube. Working on this tiller for Hal, and just got done putting the carb thing on. Can't really see because I had a green tire and a white tire. Too bad the white tires don't match that tire, so I'm gonna have to take both tires off and put those tires on. So that's the dealio of the day. See you guys up, hopefully somewhere. Right there. Alright, I'm gonna take this screwdriver and I'm gonna pop this nail. That's what's right here, it's the nail. Bend it a little bit. There we go. And it'll come just right off. And we'll lift this up. I'm just gonna... Oh shit, I forgot. Just holding our camera up too. Just gonna kind of set that tire down for a minute. Get maybe 40. Don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna spray a little in the tire. This little is all I got left. And lift this up. Squirt just a hair on the shaft of the tire. Now, I'm going to get some washers. These tires are really loose. Looks like I got 2 small washers, so it looks like we gotta go over to the garage and get some washers. That's how that first tire broke. That matching tire, that white one, broke. Sorry, you can't see much. It's sleety. Whew, my hands are cold. Alright. To find some washers. Washers. Where'd all the big washers we had go? Something there. No. Anything over here? No. Stuff right here? No. Try this little can up here. I think it's got some bolts and crap. So it's got its bolts. Some washers. Crud. Good. Crud. Usually one thing my dad's got is washers. But I don't seem to find any. Oh, I just let one rip. So it looks like I'm going to have to do... shit. So I'm going to just have to stick that pen back in there. That's about all I can do. So I think coming over here was an entire waste of energy. So, we gotta run back. 5 feet from the garage to here. So, I guess what we're gonna do, is just stick a nail back in there. Pray for a little while till we get some washers. That one's too small right there. So, turn around and put it here for a minute so I can get this thing turned around. Alright. Turns around pretty good. Well, this one does have a couple washers on it. So, finish taking it. Get my pliers and this pin. This one's actually got an actual pin on it. See why I didn't take this tire off first time. Shit. Put these pliers in. Shit, come on. Good progress. Alright. We got a little progress now. There we go. Alright. It's just barely too big. Another trigger. I think that key broke, what happened? Stick a little. Oops, Alright, I'm gonna lubrication of its shaft. This wheel. Put the whole lubrication in there. Thickener on there. Stick the washer I got on there. I'd dig through the garbage and see if I had a spare washer. I don't know what I'm going to do with this screw or this nail. I slightly dented it. It won't completely fall out. Or it'll need any repair. And we got nice matching tires. They're not the sturdiest at the moment, but maybe the washer will be where we want it to be. Well, that's it for swapping tires. Sorry, camera view probably wasn't the greatest, but probably better than anything, but see you guys later.